Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Phonepe and signing in immediately. This links your device to your account so you can view account info. Enter your registered number when prompted and complete verification with the OTP. This confirms ownership. If you already use UPI PIN, use that flow instead to avoid an extra OTP step. Make sure you grant contacts and phone permissions so the app can access linked numbers. Without permissions, Phonepe may not display the associated phone number in settings. Once signed in, tap your profile icon to reach account details. This is where Phonepe stores core contact information. Navigate to My Account or Settings and select Profile to see your registered mobile number. Phonepe shows the primary number used for UPI and notifications. If you have multiple numbers saved, it will label the active linked mobile. This is the number used for transactions and OTPs. Note why. Phonepe prevents mismatched numbers for security, so the displayed number. To finalize changes, edit your profile and add or change the mobile number. You must verify any new number with an SMS OTP so Phonepe can reissue or remap your UPI credentials. Once verified, make sure UPI settings and bank linkage reflect the new number. Some banks require separate updates. If the number doesn't appear, clear the app cache, update Phonepe to the latest version, reboot, and retry. If problems persist, contact Phonepe support with your registered details for secure help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.